Understanding the phrase is a box. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into the English phrase, a box. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. When we say, a box, we are referring to a container with a flat base and sides, typically square or rectangular and having a lid. It can be made of various materials like cardboard, wood, or plastic, and is often used to store or transport items. 1. Literal meaning. In most cases, when someone says, a box, they're talking about the physical container. For example, I stored my old books in a box. 2. Figurative meaning. Sometimes, a box can have a metaphorical meaning. For instance, when someone says, think outside the box, they are not talking about an actual box. Instead, they're suggesting you think creatively and not be confined to traditional or conventional ways. 3. Idiomatic expressions. There are many idioms in the English language that use the word box. For instance, a box of tricks means a collection of methods or resources. While a box is a simple phrase, there are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Confusing sizes. Not all boxes are of the same size. It's essential to provide context. For instance, a small box of chocolates is different from a large box of shoes. 2. Incorrect plural form. Remember, the plural is boxes. So, if you have more than one, you would say 2 boxes, not 2 box. And there you have it. Now you understand the various meanings and uses of the phrase, a box, in the English language. Remember, whether you're talking about storing old memories or thinking creatively, it's a versatile phrase that can fit many situations. We hope this video has been enlightening, and happy learning!